people discipline. I'm very thankful to giving me this chance. So science is nothing but knowing the things. So science, when the science will start, the science will start with our birth. Even before birth also there is a science. After birth there is a science. During the birth there is a science. Science is everywhere. So no event will happen without science. Even when you wake up, you start your teeth brushing. So the science starts with your teeth brushing. So how, at what angle you have to brush, at what speed you have to brush. So the science starts with that activity, and it undergoes until night sleep. At what time you have to get sleep, at how you have to get sleep, at what amount of time you have to get sleep. Like that, everywhere there is a science. So without science, even single event doesn't take place without science. And today we are observing the science fest. You know what is fest? Fest is abbreviation of festival. What is festival? We conduct Dasara, Deepavali and Batkama Pandaga, different Pandagas we can observe. And this is a fest because fest is nothing but a group of activities which make the people amuse. So here we are having the least class is the 6th and the highest class is the 10th. So the least people means the very childhood people, they are also involving in this fest. They are making so many things. And in this occasion I would like to thank our English faculty because we inspired by them. And we inspired the programs they conducted with our students. So that we also thought that, why don't we write some songs in the science? Because, songs, they're in English, they're in Hindi, they're in other language. But why don't we also write the songs in science? So that we tried our level best and our students also tried their level best. So they started writing the songs in science also. And the second one, they conducted also dialogue. Dialogue means conversation between two people. So we also thought, and why don't we also conduct the same dialogue so that our students try to make a dialogue between these two. For example, oxygen can speak with the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide can speak with the oxygen. Then what is the importance? When they talk to each other, we know the importance of oxygen, we know the importance of carbon dioxide. So that is the message, scientific message will be reached to the student. But the thing is, what programs they conducted, we also following. And the third one was, I especially thankful to Sharif sir because he was burdened, much struggle, making a skit. So we also tried our science teachers in the help of Raj Reddy sir and Ravinder sir and Fanindur sir, they encouraged me a lot. And our students also inspired me because whenever I given any instruction, they wanted to follow and they strictly followed. So that I too, means along with our students, we are also trying to make a skit which will give a message, the scientific message. And small experiments. The science will develop with the small experiments. Even Newton did not do major experiments because, once upon a time the Newton was sitting under a tree and he was, while he was taking rest under a tree, an apple was falling down. So he thought, why this apple was falling only on the land? Why it is not going towards the sky? So he started thinking. So there is a science. So every event, whatever the activity goes in our nature, that will consist of some scientific attitude, the scientific principle. So if you understand the scientific principle, you can apply the same principle in many areas, in many fields. So in that way, we can improve the science. So because, every day we are having a cell phone in our pockets and having 2 SIMs, and even we can make a call who is residing in America within a short period. So some events are taking place in all over the world, and within a seconds we are experiencing sitting here. So this is because of the development of the science. So science is having much importance. So my dear students, as far as the science faculty here, the very eminent science teachers are there. Rajareddy sir very more senior, and Ravinder sir very enthusiastic in physical science, and Farindu sir also. I know him for long 20 years. So they are also very helpful. So along with them, I assure our headmaster, sir, we will definitely improve our scientific attitude, not only this day and not end at the month of this month. We will continue up to as far as your education ends. So thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this chance.